This is my home cockpit. This is a Cytec radio panel, Cytec mod by Sergei Chufrov, I don't remember the name. This is the Cytec trim, iPad with IFMC, the Cytec cloche, Cytec panels, switch panels and multi-panel with personal labels for 737 Boeing. The app is without not backlight, unfortunately, for open cockpit, and the MCP of open cockpit. This is the multiple screen, and this is the bip panel I use it to for the LED of the overhead, and this is my overhead, homemade overhead. As you can see, all works fine. There are something like 64 switches in the overhead panel, and every ones are set up and configured in Explain 11. I made this home cockpit in 6 years, starting from April 2013 until October 2018.